So in order to open the back of the case to wind the watch, you push the button at the pendant to open the case, and then you can insert your key and turn counterclockwise to wind. And wind it very slowly, please. And just until it stops. Okay. And then to close the case, push the button in again to close the back. To set the hands, you would open the front of the case and use the same key, and you can turn the hands from there. Please be very careful when you set the hands that you don't damage or bend the hands.